Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR bungee straps. So it does come with some instructions, and you can see they got a variety of different options. This one is the HMT-LS-4. So there's 4 bungee cords, and they're each 40 inches long with S-hooks on the end. So if we measure these out, including the hook, we are looking at about 44 inches. So 40 inches for just these straps. So these feel about as stretchy as I would expect out of any normal rubber bungee cord. You can see they are thickened here down on the end where they actually attach to the hook. They are branded, but it is fairly subtle branding. You got to look for it if you want to actually see it. Now the thing that makes this one stand out is that it has these holes in here. So if we want to, we can loop that around something. We don't have that metal hook hanging on it. It's also designed so that if we want to, we can hook 2 of these together. Now normally, you can do it just like that, and that usually works no problem. But if it's going to be too long when you do that, we can use the next hook down, or even the next hook down, and we can hook it on both ends, and that way we can shrink down the total size of that bungee. Now what's cool about that is that most of the time when you get a set of bungee cords, you're going to get a bunch of different lengths, and you just have to choose the length that you need for the application that you're working on. What that usually means is that you end up running out of the size that you need, but with this you can make up whatever kind of size you want with whatever bungee cord you got. So excellent design there. There's a total of 5 holes on each bungee cord, and I also just like the idea of being able to make a choke on something in the event that we want to hold on to something, but we don't want to worry about damaging it with that metal hook. Now I've yet to see a bungee cord that will actually pull the hook out, but let me just go put some stress on it. And yeah, that definitely holds on no problem. So this is a well-designed bungee cord. So overall, I'm very happy with that.